The best dash cam for your car is the one you can rely on. With the best dash cams, you'll always know what's happening around your vehicle. This video reviews the top 3 dash cam models and compares them. Find out which one of these models is the best dash cam for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. Nextbase 622 gigawatts. Rather than being a replacement for the more affordable 522 gigawatts, the 622 gigawatts is simply a new flagship dash cam. It brings much improved video quality, better stabilization, and the inclusion of what 3 words geolocation services, which make it possible to pinpoint a stricken vehicle within a 3-meter radius. Opting for 4K at 30 frames per second sees the resulting footage look almost cinematic in its presentation, with extremely crisp definition and great detail, even in poor lighting situations. This makes it much easier to pinpoint registration numbers or pick out hard-to-see elements of an accident. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, while digital image stabilization is another first for the dash cam market and helps smooth out those bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Like its 522 gigawatt sibling, this model can be controlled via your voice with Alexa skills, but it requires the accompanying smartphone app to work, which isn't the best. Despite the new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it still has trouble connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. Thankfully, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is crisp, clear, and very easy to use, while the inclusion of what 3 words combines well with Nextbase emergency SOS feature, which you get a year's free subscription for with this dashcam. If you're in the UK, it also currently gives you up to 30% off Nextbase own insurance. Number 2. Nextbase 522 gigawatts. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts flagship, above, might be one of the most advanced dash cams you can buy, but the 522 gigawatts remains our top choice for all-around value. Thanks to a crisp 1440p resolution and wide-angle lens, it does the basics very well, but also throws in plenty of additional features. There is a responsive 3-inch touchscreen at the back, as well as the option of using the built-in Alexa functionality. Currently, users can ask Alexa to play music, place calls, and listen to audiobooks through connected devices, but they'll soon be able to use an upcoming dashcam skill to command it to start recording, stop recording, protect a recording, and send to my phone. That all might seem like a bit of a gimmick and, to be honest, we didn't use it all that much, so it is lucky that the remainder of the UX is extremely simple. Videos can be quickly and easily shared to a smart device via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, while a clever emergency SOS system will alert the emergency services of your location and other details if you prove unresponsive following an accident. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam 67W. The 67W supersedes Garmin's already very good 66W with a few additional connected features that only add to a very enticing package. At about the size of a matchbox, the 67W is one of the smallest dash cams we've had the honor of testing. In fact, it's only usurped by Garmin's own Mini, which is so small it looks like it came out of a Christmas cracker. But crammed inside this tiny package is a top-quality sensor that's capable of capturing crisp 1440p footage and enhancing it in those tricky weather conditions thanks to an HDR, high dynamic range, function. It looks great, and the additional pixels make it possible to punch into footage on the computer to read number plates or spot minor things that could act as important evidence. Easy to set up, simple to use, and accompanied by a very clean smartphone app, the 67W goes one better than its predecessor by adding connected features such as the ability to automatically upload any saved clips to Garmin's cloud when the camera detects a trusted Wi-Fi network. Bear in mind Garmin will charge you for a storage plan, and if you want to make the most of its connected features, such as the ability to remotely check in on a parked car from anywhere in the world, you'll have to hardwire the camera into your vehicle's main power source. You'll also need to make sure the camera is connected to a Wi-Fi network, so this means parking next to a friendly router or investing in a mobile hotspot, which will also require constant power. You can see how it rapidly becomes a deep and expensive rabbit hole. Regardless, if you just want great quality footage that's automatically recorded by something that will fit into a shirt pocket, look no further. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.